तो मैंने ली सेलो टेप मेरे डैड के कबर्ड से,
Of course.
जो अपने पैच में लगाते हैं ना. There's this. Now, do you tell them that you farted or do you tell them the truth? Smart casual, जिसमें कुछ समझ नहीं आता. What is
Sometimes
smart
it's
casual?
very specific.
Very smart casual.
Sometimes it's
Why only mother sister sounds wrong? Why brother father doesn't sound wrong?
oh no.
ChatGPT, please give me a really nice joke on aging. Women burp.
And 2 cups. Welcome to 2 girls and 2 cups and too much beauty oozing out of these sari-clad women.
Stop staring, guys.
Stop it.
Stop it now. अच्छा, don't go.
लोग हमेशा कहते हैं कि be yourself. But when I am myself, तो वही लोग कहते हैं बेटा not like this.
लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि your body is a temple, but it is actually that temple जिसको टूरिस्ट देख के बोलते हैं ना कि ये पहले कितना सुंदर रहा होगा. Yes, guys. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं हॉकी के बारे में.
पागल है क्या? क्रिकेट के बारे में.
Correct. So let's get into it, guys. But
Let's start our
before that.
Happy Women's Month because we celebrate not Women's Day. एक दिन is not enough to celebrate the women.
At least 1 month औरतों की इज्जत करनी ही चाहिए. At least 1 month.
At least. So guys, welcome to the Insecurity Special.
Insecurity special.
आज हम बात करेंगे women insecurities के बारे में. You know, like really good looking and like really talented and like really amazing people like Srishti.
Did she just do a flip?
Because it's Women's Month, I'm giving you result.
Nice. This
With
whole
that
month.
flip.
Yeah.
And don't worry, problem है तो solution भी है, पर वो end में, don't skip.
बीच में भी बहुत मजे हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि सीधा एंड पे जाना है.
मजे.
You don't know what's coming for you.
Let's went, guys. I really want to talk about insecurity. I want to start with the biggest insecurity that I've always had is curvy body.
Curvy body was your insecurity.
Because growing up ना, we used to watch a lot of Hollywood films. तो वो वहाँ पे ना सब ऐसे पतले पतले ऐसे stick type होते हैं. यहाँ पे सब curvy होते हैं. So there was a lot of like this judgment that used to happen because I had like big hips and assets. And
But I thought that's celebrated, na? People
Now-
celebrated.
on the street they
Woo!
celebrate.
Saloni aa gayi. Yeah, that's
true.
what you call eve teasing.
When you're
actually.
passing, like when you're walking on the street, they definitely celebrate. it. It's
Celebrate
like, wow, woo! But वैसे on digital media and stuff, it's not really celebrated.
Yeah.
So I feel I grew up with that bad feeling about my body. Like I used to play this really lovely game with myself. Like when I used to look in the mirror, I used to say, "कौन सा flaw है आज का?" Okay, and that it was a never-ending game.
Basically, you were focusing on the things that were not as problematic, like your personality, your sense of humor, just these expressions you make. That was the problem you should have worked on,
These
but you worked on.
So you're saying I worked on the wrong things.
Yeah.
What did you-
If you just focused on the right
no,
things.
No. Then tell us, what did you work on? Like,
I have the insecurity. I never worked on it because I'm also lazy. Like if you feel like you have a problem with the way with your body, you can actually maybe alter it, go to the gym, whatever. You know, you can get fitter. But I didn't.
but instead you did something you told me about. You should tell everybody. Please, guys, never do this. Disclaimer, but listen
Please
to
don't
this.
try this at home or anywhere else. I have been very insecure about my thighs. और मुझे ऐसे लगता था कि वो उसका skin ऐसे लटक रहा है. It needs some, you know how those actresses have like really tight
Yeah,
thighs?
like push-up bras for thighs.
Yeah.
I
So
get it.
I sat down and thought, मेरा जो जुगाड़ू mind है, I thought कि you know what can be done, like घर के नुस्खे क्या हो सकते हैं?
घर के नुस्खे, okay. What did you
क्या हो सकते हैं? तो घर में देखो ऐसी चीजें तो मिलती है जैसे सेलो टेप वगैरह.
do? वगैरह
तो मैंने ली सेलो टेप, वो जो मोटा सा सेलो टेप आता है ना, वो लिया.
ब्राउन वाला.
हाँ, मेरे डैड के कबर्ड से,
Of course.
जो अपने पैच में लगाते हैं ना.
Men's insecurity, another episode for another brand, men's brand.
तो वो मैंने टेप लिया और मैंने ऐसे खींचा. And it actually worked because it was that really sticky
That's
cellotape
really
that you use for
painful.
wigs. So I put it, I took like 7-8 strips and I just pulled it up and it actually worked. Like I wanted to wear a skirt and I pulled my thing up. And I have done that for a shoot, okay? And what has happened is because I have moved in a weird way, there's this ripping sound that has come, okay? Now, obviously people are going to think that you farted. Now, do you tell them that you farted or do you tell them the truth? What is more embarrassing? So then I said I farted because you can't say that. I said I
can't believe
farted.
you've actually taken the tape and...
Yeah, and it worked. But don't, guys, you can be happy with the way you are.
Guys, it doesn't work. Please don't try it at home.
It worked until it didn't, because then it ripped off and then. But it's also natural waxing, like it just.
Ow!
Which reminds me of your insecurity, body hair.
You know, a lot of people have body hair.
Guys, किसी को दिख रहा है? किसी को दिख रहा है क्या? दिख रहा है आपको?
Give me the phone.
This is more hair than my husband also has.
You know, puberty sometimes happens. To
It
people
hit
and
you
they
real
go-
hard.
It hit me.
It's very sad.
किसको
I'm
भी?
so sorry.
Afro है, मूछे हैं, दाढ़ी तभी भी है.
That's cute though. You remind me of my school teachers. They used to, like, I used to sit like this, na, first bencher. I would look up and she would be reading from a book and I would just see hair like coming out. But I think that was very cute. And they used to bleach it. So then it used to be grey hair.
What was with bleaching, guys? Never bleach your black hair on white skin. वो दिखता है, bro. मतलब ये कौन सा concept है कि वो गायब हो जाएंगे bleach करने से? It's even it shines. Like दूर से light चमकती हुई दिख रही होती है गलत जगह से. So I had major, body hair insecurity and I think I still do and I think I've tried everything. मैंने waxing try की, मैंने laser करवाया, bro. मैंने बहुत पैसे दिए laser करवाने में, but clearly I still have a दाढ़ी, so you know what happened. It's okay to have these body hair insecurities, but recommendations में हम आपको बताएंगे how to get over them.
How to get over them, and they're really foolproof recommendations.
Yeah, but you should also have hair insecurities because I have extra hair. You have no hair in your nostril.
Yeah.
What the hell is
Guys,
that?
if anybody knows about specific nasal hair transplant, please let me know because I don't have any hair in my.
Who doesn't have hair in their nostril? Who?
Today I checked my mom's, she also doesn't have. Going back to curvy bodies, you look at your cupboard and you feel like you have nothing to wear, but actually you can dress up an entire village.
Especially post-pregnancy, right? Last year I was pregnant, everybody knows. I'm not anymore.
आज ही उल्टी कर रही थी.
Because अभी इतना jump हो गया ना episode का, लोग लगता है pregnant है, not pregnant, pregnant है, not, I'm not pregnant.
तू 2 बार pregnant रखती है, bro.
So last year because I was pregnant, मेरे पास ना हर size के कपड़े हैं मेरे wardrobe में और मुझे फिर भी कुछ fit नहीं आता.
And actually what your goal is to fit into your kids' clothes. That is the problem. That's called body dysmorphia.
That's how insecure I am.
Yeah.
I want to fit
You want to
into-
fit into your baby's onesie. But how did you find a solution now that you have to go for a shadi?
Oh, guys,
Guys,
it's
not
very-
trying to promote sari
but
brand. This
trying
is
to
very
promote,
genuine.
No, but also trying to promote because we, come on, we have to. But no, seriously, I realized this, and I realized this after we were writing this script and all of that. जब हम बात कर रहे थे, that one of the outfits that works for all body types is a sari.
Yeah.
You can be thin, you can be curvy, you can have different flabs at different places. I don't know how to
At
say it.
different places?
But a sari hugs your body in a way that
Yeah.
it actually makes it look very attractive.
And my husband also doesn't hug me the way
in the
a
way the
sari
sari, yeah,
hugs me.
that's true, yeah.
Yeah, it's so sad. That's another episode.
Yeah, like, why don't they hug us in
Why
the way
don't they
sari
hug
hugs
us anymore?
So yeah, I feel like a sari has that potential to make anyone and everyone look really good, and I feel really bad for people who don't come from India, who don't know what a sari is. Guys, come on, check it out.
And I think I have worn a sari even when I was in London. And the
You
amount of people that came to me and asked me where I got it from and Lakshmi Pati.
Of course.
Where I got it from and what is this? Oh, this is such a cool garment. And then
But
in itself.
तूने अच्छा वो पल्लू तक निकाल दिया क्योंकि पेट दिख रहा था. See, this is how you use a sari.
That's not true, guys. वो अपने आप ही फिसल के निकल गया because it's fluid just like me.
You know what fluid means, na?
No, what?
Like gender fluid?
No, fluid can be anything. Fluid, water is also fluid.
Yeah, of course. Biggest advantage of wearing a sari to a shadi is that you can eat as much as you want. मतलब आप पूरी थाली खा सकते हो, bro.
और फिर आप थोड़ा घर के लिए भी बचा के
पल्लू में डुबे के घर में नहीं.
pallu. The pallu is another
Is another
pallu is another entity only in itself. I feel
Yeah.
like साड़ी एक जगह,
और
साड़ी
पल्लू
का
एक जगह.
पल्लू एक जगह.
Yeah,
I
pallu
feel
is
like the amount of इसका जो multitasking का
ability
एक
है.
ability है
हाँ.
is amazing.
अभी पल्लू की बात करें तो I want to tell you this that बचपन में when I used to see the films ना, I this is true story guys. I always wanted to be that heroine जो वो नहीं होता पल्लू से ऐसे फाड़ के अपने हीरो को ऐसे पट्टी बांधती है ऐसे जहाँ
Yeah.
खून निकल रहा होता है.
First aid.
फर्स्ट एड या वो
Yeah.
रोल तो मुझे नहीं मिला. मैं अब विराफ की वेट कर रही हूँ कि किस दिन उसका सर फूटेगा.
But so
और
many
मैं
things have
साड़ी
to
पहनी होगी.
match here. Your husband has to get hurt.
I
You have
have
to be wearing a sari.
sari.
You have to have the strength to tear the pallu.
And I feel somebody should be recording it.
You can create that. Just take a knife, cut your husband.
Can you do that for me?
For
Guys,
me, I think my only memory of a pallu is when my mother and my dad were working when I was a kid. I used to have my help with me at all times. And for some reason, she was very protective of me. She thought कि कोई ना कोई मुझे आके कुछ तो कर लेगा. So she used to take her pallu, and I remember so vividly that smell of
Yeah.
that pallu. Like if I get that whiff anywhere, na, it
What do you
just
mean? She used
takes
to
me
make you
back.
smell it.
No, she used to cover my entire face. Like for her, it was SPF, it was protection from the men around, it was everything. She was very protective about me. It's so vivid, that memory.
That she used to wrap
She
you
used
in
to
the
just wrap me around and make me walk like that.
Yeah.
So for me, I think pallu is that, where she was like my protector.
That's kind of sweet.
Yeah.
That's very sweet. My dadi used to wear a sari all the time. And my
Of
dadi
course.
was this really Punjabi, like little anger issue wala woman. Also, my neighbors were very bakwas, okay, in Delhi. So they used to keep throwing aise pani phek diya hamari chhat pe ek baar. So my dadi used to wait. But I knew the day she has like tucked in the pallu, the neighbors are
It's
gone.
a universal signal. Actually, sometimes I do it in my head also. Wearing, even if I'm wearing like a dress.
And you
In my head, when I want to give it back to someone, na, like if I want to channelize that, in my head I'm doing
the
it.
warrior in you.
I feel like also we've grown up watching movies, and movies में सबसे ज्यादा हमने देखा है कि
Pallu tuck in.
पल्लू टक करके जो एक
क्या क्या होता है?
energy आ जाती है.
That's
There's
true.
like a transformation of, like, you're this very
Yeah.
feminine energy, and you're like graceful and all of that. And of course there is grace when you tuck your pallu also, but there is this something comes
It's
out.
action.
Yeah.
It's action, because when you're tucking in the pallu, uske baad you're not going to go to sleep.
Yeah.
That's not happening, right?
Yeah.
Like you have to tuck in the pallu and then you're going to do something.
My nanny used to use her pallu in a very different way.
What?
She used to run a home salon.
Uh,
So she used to tuck her pallu here, and then all her tools would be either hanging from here, or she would tuck her comb, her scissor, everything over here. And she's like, this is my tool belt. I'm just going to put everything here, so everything's accessible. So many times वो हमको डांटते वक्त वो यही tools निकाल देती थी. ज़्यादा मत करो. Don't argue with me, she used to say. Don't argue with me.
tell me other insecurities you had, na?
My teeth. You see the amount of comments people put.
दांत फाड़ के हंस
दांत
रही
फाड़
है.
क्या दांत फाड़, मतलब मैं स्माइल करूंगी तो दांत तो दिखेंगे ना यार. ऐसे कौन हंसता है?
जरा ऐसे दांत फाड़ के.
I know it's a bit like large, but that's okay, right?
But you were insecure about this.
I was, for the longest time. My smile till I was like 14, 15 was like this.
फिर तुमने अपना मुंह खोला और खोलती गई.
But no, मैं मुंह बंद करके ही बात करती थी.
तुम अभी भी मुंह बंद के बात करो ना, मुंह बंद करके.
तुम अपने आप को रूम में बंद करके आओ ना पॉडकास्ट करने.
नहीं, रूम में मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस है लॉक.
अच्छा हो, तुमने लॉक करके रखा. So, but you know how I got over it? It's very sweet. My ex-boyfriend that time, which is, I don't think they are counted as boyfriends.
Which one?
You just
They're not.
say hi to each other on messages, and you feel like, oh,
I'm so sorry.
this is that kind.
but-
Jagnesh?
Satish, bro.
Satish?
Satish was your ex, no?
No, Satish was my husband's ex. Our relationship was very like, whatever.
ये क्या है यार?
It was like,
कितने साल के थे तुम?
I was in like 8th standard,
Like current one and
or
back.
10th standard. So he told me that, why don't you open your mouth and smile? Like, why don't you show your teeth? They're like little pearls.
They're like little what?
Pearls. And I was like,
ऋषि इतना झूठ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं
Rishi,
थी,
nahi,
bro.
Ishan.
Ishan.
God.
You have to lie so
He
much.
said they're little pearls. And after that, I felt like, pearls?
तुमने अपने दांत ऐसे फाड़े कि अब pearls.
And कोई भी अगर कुछ जैसे pearls you can sell ना, मैं अगर तुम्हें दांत दूंगी ना तुम बेच सकते हो.
Wow. You're very weird, I must
So yeah,
say.
that helped me get.
But
off that
तूने मेरे
feeling.
comments नहीं देखे दांत पे?
तेरे भी दांत पे comments
तू
है.
सिर्फ अपने comments पढ़ती है ना?
हाँ तुम्हारे मतलब
क्यों पढ़ी हुई
तुम्हारे
है,
बारे में
of course.
comments आते नहीं इतने पर हाँ. Yeah, it's always like, oh, I love Srishti so amazing. Saloni, Srishti, oh, love you.
Guys, I really want to say that, it's okay to have insecurities, but don't get so delusional also in life. Ki, to deal with them, you're just like imagining
Guys,
things.
delusion is the best. We'll
Solution.
tell you in the solutions.
But they have said things about like, I should be using Colgate that whitens your teeth.
Max Fresh Gel.
Max Fresh
But
Gel.
this is not sponsored by Max Fresh Gel.
So we will not talk
Cut
about
it. Haan, tell more insecurities. Na, tell about your eyes. Na, the funniest thing ever.
My two big eyes.
Guys, can you notice her eyes? She has dead eyes apparently. Show your dead eyes. Just gaze it. You don't have to try also. Just look at the camera. Yeah, that's dead eyes. Basically, dead eyes क्या होता है कि तुम्हारा जो eyeball है, ideally it should touch both the ends of your lids, right? But it does not reach here. Like it does not. I
It's
don't know
just
how to explain
hanging
it.
up.
So her eyes are. So what did you do then to get rid of
So
that
when I
fear?
came to Bombay ना, तो acting के में ना audition देते वक्त ना मुझे एक casting ने बोला आपकी ना आप बहुत अच्छा acting करते हो लेकिन आपकी आंखें dead हैं. पहले तो मुझे लगा क्या? What does that mean? Then he said, वो नीचे वाला ना it doesn't touch.
Touch.
So yeah, so it looks very dead. I was like, how does one solve this, bro? Like, दांत बोलता तो मैं मुंह बंद कर लेती,
Braces
तो मैं
लगा
मतलब
देती।
braces कुछ भी कर लेती यार, आंखें कैसे क्या करूं मैं? मतलब what is this? Are you trying to tell me I should go back?
But you found a solution.
I
Great
found a
solution, guys.
Guys, there's a solution to everything in life, and my solution was extremely creative. Listen to this. So I have Googled. Okay, I'm like, how to make eyeballs bigger.
I think Google also must be like, ये पहली बार ऐसा question आया यार, मेरे पास जवाब ही नहीं है इसके.
Like Google search ना ignored the eye and just gave me like how to make balls bigger. Because it's like ये तो गलत, ये तो Google search
ये तो कोई नहीं पूछता यार.
ये कौन पूछता है यार? ये eye गलती से लिख दिया
गलती से
होगा.
लिख. Did you mean this?
So I said, did you mean this? But I was like, no, I meant how to make eyeballs bigger. So it has given me a very nice solution. It has sent me to Amazon where you get these lenses which are specially made to make your eyeballs bigger. Okay? मतलब they're bigger than your actual eyeballs. So they're like these gigantic circles and they're jet black. तो वो बाद में मुझे पता लगा कि वो हॉरर मूवीज में यूज करते हैं वाले अपनी पूरी कालिया करने के लिए. So I have bought them and they were very cheap also. ऐसा भी नहीं था कि
Of course, I mean clearly.
इतना सस्ता solution ये मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं पता था. I have ordered 2-3 of them. ठीक है कि by chance and you get sizes in it. Extra large, XL. So then the eyeballs have come.
Eyeballs have come. They've sent you full-fledged eyeballs.
And
corneas.
The thing is that I have worn it and मेरा पूरा मेरा मतलब white क्या बचा था? White सिर्फ कोने बचे थे. Like this. Exorcist movie देखी है?
You went for a shoot for that.
I went for an audition. Yeah, I did.
You clearly didn't get it.
Never got it, bro. I think they were scared, so they didn't say anything because they thought ये भूत कहाँ से आ गया. तो उन्होंने मुझे कुछ बोला नहीं. But I gave the audition and they were extremely painful. Extreme because they were just poking my eye from everywhere. No. And I've done that. Insecurities can actually make you do a lot of things that you don't want to do.
Yeah, I didn't have an insecurity, but I had this obsession with getting a dimple. I don't think I wrote this also. I just remembered I've done this where I wanted Preeti Zinta, right? I was like, oh my god, dimple, so cute. I'm bubbly. So in school, I have taken my pencil and I have gone for it. कहाँ चाहिए तुमको? And I'll tell you something. There is a dent here.
Because of the pencil.
Yeah. And every time I lose weight, it shows. I lose weight on my face, it shows. That I suddenly have a dimple on my face because I literally pierced my cheek, yeah, for the dimple.
I don't know, this episode has become about our insecurities.
But it is.
It is. But after every insecurity, I want to say, we are telling you what not to do when you have an insecurity, okay? Before we tell you what to do. So please don't do all of this. Pencil man मारने लग जाना यार. But तुझे auditions पे कभी हुई है insecurity like about your hair?
But that is where insecurities come from, auditions and shoots, right? Because you do a look test and for some reason the stylist, even though they know all your measurements, all your everything they know, footwear से लेके eyewear, सब कुछ पता है. फिर भी वो तुमको ऐसा कुछ दे देंगे जो तुम पे ऐसे लगेगा कि तुम जिंदा ही क्यों
ही पहने.
हाँ, और फिर वो ही तुम्हें देखेंगे ऐसे कि
तुम्हारी बॉडी में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है मेजरमेंट्स के हिसाब से.
मैंने क्या साइज के हिसाब से तुम्हें कपड़े दिए, अच्छा ही नहीं लग रहा.
And actors anyway have so many insecurities, right? Like बालों को लेके, skin को लेके.
Did you think that someone would have an eyeball insecurity? No. Today we have revealed something that is unimaginable.
I can't believe कि content के लिए मैं अपनी deepest darkest secret
darkest literally
बता रही हूँ. But I actually have a lot of insecurities when I have to go for an audition because usually they send you a dress code.
Smart casuals, उसमें कुछ समझ नहीं आता.
Sometimes it's very specific.
Very smart casual.
Sometimes it's
extremely casually smart.
Sometimes they say crop top and jeans.
Basically, they want you to mostly wear nothing.
That's a different kind of episode again. But crop top and jeans. Now, bro, like I can't wear crop top and jeans. I'm insecure. I don't have the fittest body because I haven't worked on it, but whatever. And I'm good for the part. I know कि वो part मेरे जैसे किसी के लिए बना है.
वो delusion है that you think that you're good for a part.
So when I get auditions in sarees, that's when I go. Like I never miss an audition in a saree because I know I look fab. Like look at me, guys. Look at me right now. I mean, who wouldn't cast her?
See, sarees are great, but let me tell you that I remember draping a sari for myself before an event. And I have had a mental breakdown, bro.
Why?
I've had a mental breakdown. Nobody teaches you how to drape one. They don't tell you that it is little intricate. The whole pleating. Like you have to have patience. Gen Z can never.
Talk about yourself. One second, you're not a Gen Z. Can we please get that straight? You're not a Gen Z.
I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about...
That is fine.
She's shouting at me, man. I'm talking about... I have cried. Have you ever seen someone cry?
Because they can't wear a sari.
I could not wear a sari.
What did you do?
And I feel like people should
Then
people
buy.
should teach na how to wear sari.
But you can get Lakshmipati has pre-pleated saris which you can buy. Just segue and plug in.
Nice. What's a pre-pleated sari?
Pre-pleated. You want me to explain you like basics?
Like कोई पहना के दे देता तू.
नहीं bro.
कोई खुद पहन के आ जाता है.
Pre-pleated saris.
कोई खुद पहन के आ जाता है, सेफ्टी पिन लगा के फिर आके उतार के आपको देता है.
हमारी बकवास बंद हो गई और मैं तुम्हें बता दूं कि pre-pleated sari क्या होती है.
What is it?
It's like you don't have to tie it and pleat it. It's already pre-pleated. Like you have to wear it like a skirt.
But then what if it's not my size?
But you have to get your size, na?
Oh.
Why would you? You have to buy. So
But
you
tell
can
me why weren't we taught how to drape a sari? Like why weren't we encouraged to wear sari?
I feel like it got lost because we got really influenced by Hollywood and Western culture. And we wanted to wear the crop tops and the jeans. But those are actually far more uncomfortable than wearing a sari.
Because I've seen my nani wearing sarees all her life. I've seen my helps wearing sarees and doing like crazy
Everything,
things.
yeah.
They're
मतलब
doing
stool पे चढ़
acrobatics.
कहीं चढ़ गए spider की तरह.
Fan साफ कर रहे हैं.
पोछा लगा रहे हैं. They do everything
in a sari. And
and
I'm just like, how are you doing like this?
somehow we were made to feel that it's difficult.
Or we are conforming to patriarchy because it was also, I think women rebelled against it. कि अगर मैं साड़ी पहनूं,
That's a good point.
तो I'm part of this man's world and I'm conforming to it.
That's so
So
sad.
people started rebelling against, made the sari the antagonist basically.
But is it really an antagonist?
It's actually a protagonist. Like why haven't we seen a sari clad superwoman?
Patent करा लिया idea because ये हम use करेंगे. When TGTC produces a film which is sponsored by Lakshmipati.
Lakshmipati Sarees presents, what is that?
Pallu ka
Chiffon
Chiffon Shakti.
Yeah,
It's
that's
such
great.
a cool name for a superwoman, yaar.
Yeah.
Imagine a superwoman in a sari who has amazing power, pallu ka power, and she's with a tucked in pallu and she's saving a child. and
Her
she's coming-
superpowers come alive when she tucks her pallu in.
Great.
And the safety pins and all of that are her weapon. Hey!
And we can call her Chiffon Shakti.
Chiffon Shakti! And you can be my sidekick because I'm the main lead. Main lead to मैं ही हूँ.
तो
Main lead.
Mainly, I'm the main.
Sari
Actually, if
suggest,
there was a
yeah.
superwoman with a sari, what could her name be? Tell us in the comments. Also, I want to mention this, and I think I mentioned it in the previous episode also, that boys gift saris na. They're great gifts to give
Yeah.
your mother, sister. That doesn't sound nice. No, mother. But
See
gift
the
your
problem
mother,
again, Women's Day. Why only mother sister sounds wrong? Why brother father doesn't sound
I
wrong?
don't know.
Leave your mother sister alone, guys. Just leave mother sister alone.
Give them a sari and then leave them alone.
I have
Go
to
along
say,
with
I
it.
think some men also look very good in sarees. I have seen Ranveer
Yeah,
Singh in a ghagra.
good thi yaar.
Looks so good.
Sunil.
I think I'm going to gift my husband a sari.
Sunil.
Can we please make sarees for men also? I think men will look really cool in sarees.
Yeah, Srishti, you got some nice kinks, I must say. ये क्या है?
Woke.
Is this a W?
I just made
It's
it up.
not a- you made it up, no?
Yeah.
Guys, 2 girls, 2 cups pay. We are making shit up, but you can use this. This will become trending.
Woke. What do you feel about aging since you're quite old? I mean, I must say.
You know, the only exercise I do is running away from my age.
Wow, you ChatGPT did this. ChatGPT, please give me a really nice joke on aging. Oh, running away from. Oh, wow, what a Srishti would never know.
I've never been insecure about my age.
Because you're still 33, we'll wait.
No, I've never been.
I just revealed her age, guys.
Yeah, I'm 33. I'm turning 34 tomorrow.
Guys, I'm
You
still
can wish
29,
me-
just saying.
Yeah, for like two more days.
I'm sorry, I have started becoming very insecure about my age because
You are
because,
like- I
because
was
I'll tell you why. Because these people na, who are above 30, they make me feel like, why is she flexing? I'm saying they make me feel like I don't want to get older because I'll become like this. Why were you flexing?
You wish, bro.
Why were you just...
But aging has never been a problem for me. I have always been very, very secure of my age. Very, very
Even
I've
after
never lied.
people have probably looked at you and said, "Arey, tumhare lines are."
I have no lines.
You're privileged. That's the problem. Exposing a privileged person on 2 Girls, 2 Cups today who is with us just because she has good genetics and she does not have lines. She thinks that she can say things like she is not worried about aging. I have been fed with the idea that if you have lines, you can't go back from it. It's always going to be there.
So what? It's a sign that you've lived and you're getting wiser. That's what I want to tell you. Like, I have so many friends, but everyone around me is very, very insecure about their age. Arey, it's not something you can stop. Yaar, calm down. Embrace it. Embrace it. Say it, embrace it.
women burp thing.
So you tell me.
I have been really मुझे बहुत लोगों ने क्योंकि मेरे थोड़े एक्स्ट्रा लाइन्स क्योंकि मैं स्माइल बहुत करती हूँ है ना तो मेरे लाइन्स थोड़े
smoke
ज्यादा होते हैं स्माइल लाइन्स but I was saying that I was at a shoot once and Prem
He fat shamed me is what I remember.
he's fat shamed you he's age shamed me because he in between takes he used to tell me acha smile mat karna after the cut because if I smile my makeup will crack and
He's told you
and
that?
that was the makeup artist's problem not mine the makeup artist did dry makeup
Smile.
Reem very good job और मुझे कुछ चीज पे हंसी आ रही है और मैं हंसा मत can you believe it that's
कोई तुझे बोलता है मुंह बंद रखो कोई बोलता है तुम हंसो मत
it's really sad imagine I have gone through a lot guys now that's why you know why I'm funny
but you also have
Travel.
freckles have you ever been insecure about your freckles
I used to when people would call it dark dhabbe until now suddenly people are obsessed with it ki, oh my god you have freckles they're so cute are you tattooing it
people are actually going and getting freckles done you
Yeah.
know like there's a whole like how you have microblading now for the eyebrows you have
micro what
microblading
what happens with
blading
that? What do you do with the eyebrows you draw
people who
them.
are insecure about their eyebrows usually go and get microblading done which is like permanent eyebrows.
Ooh.
You can wake up with makeup apparently. Did you know that?
Permanent makeup
Yeah.
I want that
There's actually now wake up makeup.
so then if you want to look like you've not put makeup you have to put makeup but that you have to do anyway because
But anyway, no makeup look takes like
men
4
can't
hours.
see you without men actually in general people can't see you they think you're unwell you've got malaria in your eyes
पर मेरे साथ ऐसा बहुत हुआ है. Have I told you about this time that I met a very
no
once I was supposed to audition for this really big film, okay, and somebody's son was getting launched. Can't take names. Somebody's son was getting launched, and opposite him, okay, as heroine.
guys comments में बताओ तुम्हें क्या लगता
My audition went very well, and I was final में पहुंच गई थी मैं. The only thing was that the casting director called me and said, "कल सुबह आ जाओ. The father wants to meet you." And this father is a really big actor, okay, like really big.
father
guy. Like
is also a big actor son is guys
Getting
are you
launched.
getting it are you getting it
And the casting director is telling me that you have to come at 7 a.m. to meet the father, and you have to come without makeup because he wants to see how people look without makeup.
so you like an idiot went without makeup
I went without makeup. I did not. I went without makeup. अरे यार कोई बोलेगा तुम्हें कि तुम्हें मेकअप नहीं लगा के आना तो तुम मेकअप नहीं लगा के जाओगे ना तो मैं नहीं लगा के गई. And I went without makeup and we've had a meeting and that I'm also in awe of this actor because he's a very big actor and I respect him a lot. And then suddenly before leaving he's like, "Nice to meet you, but are you not well?" And I was like, "No, I'm."
you said yeah you didn't say
No,
yeah
no, I didn't understand. So I was like, "Huh?" He's like, "You look like you haven't slept at all." And I was like, I wanted to say, "Bro, you told me not to put makeup and come, so I didn't. And now you're only making me feel like I made the biggest mistake." But learning.
so basically the tatparya is this is the only time no means yes
Yes, the only time no means yes. Yeah, that's true.
otherwise no means no guys
If you are an actor in Bombay and you get a casting brief saying no makeup, put lots of makeup that looks like no makeup, guys. It's
and
a
when
trick.
someone says no makeup, it's yes makeup, lots makeup, but doesn't show makeup. But you should tell now. I've started telling, yeah, I've got malaria, jaundice, dengue all together. Only in the eyes.
Only in the
Yeah.
eyes.
My natural response is I look like this without makeup, guys. This is who I am. This is me.
This is my face. It's
guys,
natural.
this is what social media is feeding you with. Anyway.
I've seen this video of Srishti where I think your mother has made me feel that I should also be confident about my body. Do you remember that video?
Say hello.
Hello,
Say I'm Srishti Randani
I am Srishti Randani
and I'm 10 years old
and I am 10 years old
and I just went to Pizza Hut and came
and I just went to Pizza Hut and came
and I ate a lot of pizzas
and I ate 2 pizzas,
and
small sized ones,
you can see the small size 2 pizzas on my bum.
and you can see my boobs.
You
Yeah,
remember
oh
that
yeah,
video?
of course, of
What
course.
was that? Your mom is so good. She's
Yeah.
amazing.
My mum used to record me since when I was a kid. For some reason, we had a handy cam before most people had it.
Your
And
dad
they
was an
used to-
actor. You were rich. Stop it.
Correct. But the handicap was a constant through these ups and downs. And we've recorded most of our childhood this. And I have seen my interactions with my mother were mostly like me being like, I don't want to wear this. I don't want to. She's like, this is looking great on you. You have to wear it. Show me your body. Show me. Move. Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh,
And
dance
you
for
have.
me.
It's a
And-
very cute video.
and in that video specifically where she's like, oh, you ate pizza. Oh, I can see it on your bum. And I said, yeah, you can see it on my bum.
And the bum is like, it's so cute. You must be
Yeah.
what, 7 years old?
yeah.
It was the
6 or
cutest
7.
video I've seen in a while.
But I think it's her, it's that woman that made me feel if I have any confidence.
It's that
today,
woman,
it's-
guys, जो पिछले episode में थी, Women's Day वाला. Okay, I want to ask you this very moral question.
Don't
Tomorrow, if a fairness cream brand comes to you, will you endorse it? It's a very simple.
No.
All the fairness cream brands out there.
Do we have to put this? But no, 1 second. This was just to be funny. I have said no to, I can show you.
Why? Because your height didn't match.
Because ideology. Sorry. Hi, sorry, not keen on doing a fairness cream advertisement. Do keep in mind for anything else that comes up.
I'm very proud of you.
Would you do a fairness cream ad?
Definitely.
But you have a lot of money. You don't have ideals.
I asked you this question because not just fairness creams, like these brands used to instill insecurities in people so that they could sell their brand. मतलब क्या दिखा देते यार, CEO बनने के लिए तुमको डिग्री नहीं चाहिए, तुमको complexion
But
चाहिए.
obviously, na.
Oh shit, sorry, is it?
Yeah.
Oh no, they were right.
Yeah, they were, they were right.
But why would they do that? Why would they be allowed to do something like that?
But now they've changed it, na. Fair
What
and
is it?
Lovely is Glow and Lovely.
Wow, guys, it's changed 180 degrees, guys. It's become something else only. Oh my god, I couldn't recognize.
But tell me, what do you think about?
Which one are you talking about?
I don't know. I mean, it's not like I've done anything. एक बार देख लीजिए. No, I've done it enough now.
Guys, I just want to tell you today that you are going to grow old no matter what you do.
She's like a teacher.
Even if you do
बेटे.
Botox, वो दिख रहा है, guys.
But
Young नहीं लग रहे हो.
isn't feminism about making the choice?
आपको
for
जो
yourself?
करना है आप करो, guys. But वो दिख रहा है. I'm just stating facts that it's showing.
But I think what I find very funny and fascinating is that, you know, when you go for an adventure sport, you sign this document
Yeah.
before you go, because that if you die,
तुम
we are
मरे तो
not
तुम्हारी
responsible.
responsibility.
Apparently you sign a similar paper when you go
For
get
Botox?
something done.
No.
Anything invasive.
Really?
Yeah.
तो मतलब जितने लोगों का गलत हो गया है वो उनकी
Guys, I know this because I asked a friend. I didn't. Because there is a possibility of it going wrong. A huge possibility
And
of
it
it
has
going
gone
wrong.
wrong, right?
And
It's a
you can
toxin.
get paralyzed. A lot can happen. So unless you have the luxury to go to the best doctor who is like, you don't even need to sign this paper, I guarantee you will look.
But everyone is looking the same thanks to the needles.
Which is why now I like my face.
है ना?
Ugly is the new pretty. And I also like, the more it is going deeper in, the more I can store things there. Like tomorrow, if there is a water shortage, I can store water. It's
I
that
can already see water storage.
deep. That was because I
Right
cried
here.
in the morning.
You cried.
This is not that kind of
Oh,
podcast.
another episode. Let's talk about cellulite. Do you have cellulite?
No, the brand of the light at home is
Cellulite, yeah. You have cellulite because my cellulite
I
has cellulite.
I also have that weird varicose vein thing on my thigh.
Varicose vein is, guys, varicose vein is a condition. It's not like,
Yeah, but it happens because of a fat storage something, na?
no, not always. It can happen as a side effect to a lot of diseases. We're very sorry. People
But I
who are
have
listening, we
that.
are not
But
going
one
to-
second, I am a patient of that.
Okay. Science lesson I'll give you later.
So you tell now only. Why on front of camera now? You say in front
Because
of what is
a lot of you guys cellulite. Apparently you can't remove cellulite. If it's there, it's there.
No, apparently people on social media have said you can do massage.
No, I think that's AI. They're doing
Lymphatic
massage.
drainage or something.
No, cellulite you can't remove. So
I
if
do
you have,
every day, but it's not going.
what kind of massage you do? Tell us.
I just feel like it has to go against gravity, everything.
No, you can't remove cellulite. So if you have cellulite again, embrace it.
Have
because
you
of
embraced yours?
process? I'm arriving.
Start the process. is
यार
what she
मेरा
said.
ना सेलुलाइट से बहुत आगे जा चुका है इनसिक्योरिटीज ना मैं उसके बाद प्रेग्नेंट मेरे फोकस शिफ्ट हो गया है
हाँ.
आई एम फोकसिंग ऑन अदर इनसिक्योरिटीज
But what are the major changes in your body after pregnancy?
Oh, let me tell you the biggest change. I was already very big.
Hmm.
You know what I'm talking about. And now you become even bigger. I've always had insecurities about having big breasts, and a lot of women do because they're also extremely uncomfortable.
It is.
It's extremely uncomfortable, and you gather a lot of attention when you don't. That is also one reason I really like a sari because it covers up everything very nicely.
It shows it also, but it
But in a
covers it.
nice way,
Yeah.
in a graceful way. It's not
Yeah.
like your other outfits, which are very difficult to wear. So I have had to use minimizer bras all my life.
What the hell is that?
So apparently there are these bras, okay, that are designed in such a way that they make it look a size smaller.
That is so sad. It
That-
does not make you comfortable, but
No,
it does
it's-
not
it's-
help
it's-
with comfort. It just makes it.
It might be more tight because it pushes everything in.
It'll be more uncomfortable.
वो नहीं होता, वो तो 90s की हीरोइन को देखते थे जो सांस नहीं ले सकती थी.
Arjun,
They were wearing minimized surprise, guys. I just want to myth busting is happening on TGTC. That's ma, bro.
Oh, sorry.
My lungs ना चिल्ला रही अंदर से कि please.
एक तो बैक एक, ऊपर से बैक एक.
So guys, हमने बात करी बहुत सारी इनसिक्योरिटीज के बारे में और वेंट किया, लेकिन
हम जाएंगे नहीं विदाउट गिविंग यू सॉल्यूशंस, क्योंकि हमारा काम ही है लोगों को सॉल्यूशंस देना, लोगों की मदद करना, सोशल सर्विस करना और लोगों को खुश रखना.
Two girls recommend.
So, अगर इनसिक्योरिटी हो तो क्या करना चाहिए guys? नहीं, I'll tell you because I know how she deals with her insecurities and this is real. इसके घर में जाना तो there is this huge mirror, okay, like full length mirror है, but that full length mirror makes you look 2 sizes smaller. You know, I saw myself in the mirror. I was like, wow, I got distracted. After I came back to my senses, after my beauty and all of that, I was like, but what is the problem in that? Isn't a mirror actually supposed to make you feel nice about yourself and not bad about yourself? So guys, Two Girls recommends get a mirror which makes you look really like nice and the way you want to look.
Because guys, it's all about what's in here. और उसका यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है.
Delulu is the best Salulu.
ये इसने अभी सीखा, ये बूढ़ी है ना थोड़ी सी, तो अपनी बेटी के साथ थोड़ा वाइब करने के लिए ये जेनजी स्लैंग.
मेरे 5 महीने की बेटी जो सिर्फ ए करती है उसके साथ में वाइब करने के लिए डेलुलु सलुलु बोल रही है.
उस दिन उसने LGBTQIA+ बोला था.
Very woke. She's little too woke. Tell us another solution, chal.
Okay, walk in dimly lit rooms, which is again something I do. कि I make everything very dim in my house. Like
तेरे घर में लाइट
पर्दा नहीं खुलता, मैं हमेशा डार्कनेस में ही रहती हूँ ताकि तुम अपने आप को देख ही नहीं पाओ. देखो ही मत, देखोगे नहीं तो इनसिक्योरिटीज नहीं होगी, इनसिक्योरिटीज नहीं होगी तो देखोगे नहीं. इट्स लाइक अ
और कभी भी इसके घर में कुछ भी एक्सपेंसिव मत पहनना, क्योंकि एक बार मैंने डायमंड इयरिंग पहनी थी, वो नीचे गिरी और घर में लाइट ही नहीं है.
और इसके पास असली डायमंड भी है ही नहीं, तो ये जो अपने आप को बोल रही है ना कि
मेरे डायमंड्स लाना जरा आ रहे हैं घर. I have another recommendation for insecurities, which is get yourself friends like Srishti and stand next to them. Guys, automatically you will feel better about yourself. मैं यही करती हूँ. That's why I started this show in the first place. I just stand next to her and I'm like, wow, मैं ऐसी हो सकती थी, लेकिन thank God मैं ऐसी हूँ. Just very nice.
गाइज मैं कुछ सुन नहीं सकती थी क्योंकि ये मेरा तीसरा रिकमेंडेशन है जिसको बोलते हैं नॉइज कैंसिलिंग ईयरफोन्स, बट दे ओनली कैंसिल द नॉइज दैट इज नेगेटिव, व्हिच इज लाइक बिकॉज राइट नाउ आई डिड नॉट हियर हर. एज सून एज शी सेज oh you're pretty, you're gorgeous, oh you're so beautiful, I hear it.
Yeah.
But then as soon as she says something bad, like say something to me,
You are an idiot.
हाँ?
तुम बहुत ही डम हो.
हाँ?
और तुम बहुत ही अमेजिंग हो.
love ya.
Guys, if you check your others folder in DM and आपको वैसे वाले कुछ फोटोज आ रहे हैं, तो remember you are someone.
Yeah, you're someone who should block that person and report that person and please call the cops. How can you, तुम खुश कैसे हो सकती हो ऐसे चीजों से? फिर आपको पता है? But on a serious note, sarees can be used for all your problems. तुम्हें बाल की insecurity है?
पहुंच रहा है ऊपर तक.
कवर कर दो.
थोड़ा पसीना भी आ रहा है ब्रो.
ओह पहुंच दो.
थोड़ा मुझे भी आ रहा है.
मच्छर.
बॉडी ओडर.
Yeah, like yeah.
बाल तो छुप ही गए हैं मेरे, as you can see.
Yeah, it's amazing. I think sari is the cure to everything.
Thank you for watching us went for a long time, but we have given you some solutions. Also, in the comments, let us know how nice we are looking in Lakshmipati sarees.
Yeah.
Gift each other sarees. Next time, if I get an anonymous gift from any of my fans, it has to be a saree. That's
And
the
it
only
has
one
to
I
be
like.
Lakshmipati sarees.
Don't forget to check them out on their website,
www.lakshmipati.com.
because despite of all our insecurities, if we can look this good,
Then you is that a compliment or an insult?
I don't know, but imagine what it can do for you.
Okay, guys, stay
watch
woke.
it and stay
woke. This is a new thing.
Yeah, stay woke. Every episode now we end with stay woke, guys.
Stay woke, guys.
Two girls and two guys. Two girls and two cups.
Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never.
Keep listening.
Bye.
Cheers.
Sayonara.
Alvida.